Hi, this is Jake with Cali. Today we'll be installing our 2024 Plus Toyota Tacoma tailgate theft protector. What will be included in this kit is one tailgate theft protector, one security bolt, and one security bit. On the passenger side of your vehicle, we have our one bolt. You're gonna get your 10mm socket and take this one off. On the passenger side of the vehicle, you're gonna get your tailgate theft protector and your security bolt, line it up, and put your bolt in. We're gonna get this hand tight. And then you could get your security bit, put in whatever tool you have, and tighten it down. Now that includes the install. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go visit CaliRaisedLED.com for all your off-road and overland accessories.